Hi, I'm Al,
And I'm Jeannie,
and we're cruising through life.
with Al and Jeannie.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
Hi. Good, good. Oh yeah, you need.
Before we continue, you guys want to donate $5 or more for a hurricane relief?
Yeah, let's do that. Yep.
Okay, so we don't accept any cash. Which
Then we're going to deduct it from your saving and sign.
Sure.
card.
Do that. Yep.
That's wonderful.
Yo lo paso. And what did your name?
My name. Yep. Yep.
Okay, and how much is it that you guys want to donate?
Let's donate $10 total.
Okay.
Yeah.
So $10 total.
Yep.
Okay, so 500 or 5?
Yep. That works.
I'm gonna put Allen and you put the other one.
Okay, that sounds good. That's great. That's a great idea.
Yes.
So good, because they need it.
They don't have absolutely not even food.
Right.
Yeah, that one island is gone.
All the islands.
That was terrible.
Horrible. Yeah, I put $5 on Allen and you do the other one.
Ready?
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
93, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Thank you.
In New York.
Honey, put it in there.
Please, I want you to take out your hat and
Yep.
your glasses. I have to take a picture.
Hat and glasses.
And glasses, please.
Sit this for 1 sec so I don't lose it. Thank you.
No, it's good, no problem.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thank you.
That's all that you need, okay?
Sounds good.
You
All
are.
right.
And thank you very much
We
for
can go
the donation. Go
through-
through security, then you go up.
Okay. Do we go any one of them?
Anyone.
All right.
Okay.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
10 minutes if that. I don't even know if it was that long. Take you faster to fun.
Back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world. And
Almost done.
But if we have to be in the same spot for mustard grill, it's gonna be hot as I'll get out. Hopefully they changed that since last time. It's been a long time since we've been on here, though.
Couple years.
it's a playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
Bar?
Whatever you like.
Well, that's where we usually go first. Make it right.
What are you gonna have?
What was the one that had the split down the middle?
Miami Vice. All the kids on the list.
I'm gonna try a Miami Vice.
And tonight it's a playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the
Forgot how pretty that was.
We made it at the Carnival Conquest.
This is why you get faster to the fun. And where our floor is?
7.
Ladies and gents, anybody go to Deck 9, use this one. Deck 9 for food.
Oh, they did move. That one went from 8 to 9, 9 to 8, 7. Now maybe it's coming down. 6, 5. Let's see what happens. What are we on, 3? See if it opens. And it's going down, but you know what? I can ride it down and back up. Let's go for it. Hit 9, see what happens.
We're going on 7.
Or 7. Go ahead, see what happens.
Yeah, we'll go there and go back.
That's what I said. I'll go down and go back up. I was gonna go over to the
9.
oh, those lunch ones get you to 9 too. They go right to 9.
Do they?
Yeah, that's what they were all going to 9, the Lunch Express.
Oh, because they only had that one side open to 9. That's kind of weird how they turn off the other.
Yeah, the other
one. That
elevators.
doesn't really make sense.
Yeah.
Oh, we did go up. Look at that.
Hey.
Yes!
Good.
All right.
Winners!
We made it.
7. You can't get in your room. The doors are.
They still got them locked?
We got it faster to fun.
We have a priority thing. They said the rooms would be open, but the hall
Really?
is closed.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's see. Let's take a jaunt somewhere then. No, you just walk in.
Yeah.
Let's see, what number are we?
7316.
60. These are odd numbers.
Okay. You still go in.
Yeah, exactly.
Open the door.
Maybe somebody got on them though. You don't know. Go on that one or this one. Now, oh, little big sign. This leaf to be open first.
I didn't see. This way or?
I don't know.
Did you see?
I didn't. What's our number? 70?
7316, so that way.
That way. Yeah, you just had to open the door.
Oh, she got up in my business all night.
She says, well, we're priority too. Well, then walk in there. Unless they did and they got yelled at once they got down here. Who knows?
Well, they wouldn't know to yell at them.
Well, tell them then maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I find it hard to
I think
believe,
she
but
just walked up in the door and was like that.
yeah, I think so too. Hey, those balconies are pretty nice.
I know.
And it's-
I thought it would be nice someday.
well, you know, it's probably my only shot to film a balcony room.
Well, hopefully we go on one.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How you doing?
My name is Jose.
Hi, Jose.
I will be your steward.
Oh, nice to meet
Okay,
you.
nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
What is
Here you go, Al.
Alan.
Hello, man.
Okay.
Jeannie.
Oh, we got to do that.
And we got our gold card.
Oh, it's upside down. There we go.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a tiny, tiny room compared to the last one.
Yep. Jose.
I'd like to do a quick room tour here before it gets messed up. Well, compared to the last room.
Open it. No. Oops, sorry.
Nope, no problem.
But we go past one too many of these.
All right.
Cut throughs.
The room's 7316. As you come in, it's a little bit smaller than what we've had in the last couple, but it's going to be just fine. Because you know what? It doesn't matter. We're still on a cruise. Nice big closets with hanging space. This one should have drawers and stuff. Yeah.
Someone had way too much fun over here.
Wow. Knocked the lamp right off the lamp
Whoa.
thing.
Clearly they had way too much fun.
Wow.
There we go. I fixed my lampshade hat.
They won't have that problem with us. Maybe. Jeannie could be wild over there. I don't know. And you got the bathroom. Like I said, this is for us. This is just fine, but it is smaller than the other one. I'm really kind of surprised. But I am good with it because we know what this means. It means we're going on a cruise. Along with you got your mini refrigerator. Okay. And the gentleman that we met outside, Jose, he's going to be our room steward. It'll be easy to remember. And you come over here and you've got your lamps, a little nightstand for things. That's always nice to have. You can always have the bed made up however you want to have the bed made up. Here's Jeannie showing us the safety deposit box.
This is for all your jewels when you shop in Jamaica, Al.
Yeah, we're not going to Jamaica this time. You're lucky. No, I'm lucky. I'm not drinking again in Jamaica. And again, room service menu, they leave you plenty of stuff to spend money on the ship. There's no doubt about it. This is the room service menu. Now again, this is a little bit, since last time we were on the ship, everything was free. This time things have changed just a little bit. You pay for late night dining, salads and stuff. It's not expensive. Chicken tenders, $5. It's a good deal. But you do have to pay for it now compared to before. And you've got water. That's here. They say it's $3.75. I think we should probably have a bottle of water, I think, for being gold this trip. Oh, sorry. Hair dryer. It works. Laundry bags. Oh, I don't remember laundry bags if you want to send your laundry out to be done. And then drawers to put your stuff back into.
Bam!
Bam! And other than that, that is a room tour of our room. How's the bed, Jeannie?
It's good.
And Jeannie's broken toe that we got this trip. That's a oh, look, it's turning all black and blue in different colors now. Holy shit. I think her foot will fall off before we get done.
I hope not.
But that is a tour of our room. One of the benefits of Faster to Fun is that you get to your room first. So we've been to our room. They're still cleaning all the others. We've been to our room and got our stuff and have been in there, so it's a great deal. Well worth it. No problem. Thank you. Where's Jenny? There she is.
Hi.
Jeannie. Guess what? We're on a cruise ship.
It's cruise day.
Except not leaving yet because they're still putting everybody's stuff away. But Faster to Fun gets us on there quicker and we can get our stuff. And we're gold.
Gold.
So that's kind of nice. Anyway, yeah, Faster to Fun is well worth the money. We're able to go up and put our carry-on stuff down and we get that all taken care of. My bag was already delivered. Jeannie's is sure is coming right behind mine at some point, unless they lost her bag, and hopefully not. But we'll get our bag very soon, I hope. But
Oh, shoot.
and this is Embarkation Day.
Dude, I could put a snack down here.